So you're about to get out of the military and you want to land your dream job? I'm going to tell you how on this brand new web series right now. Hello everyone, I'm Dustin Mann, and this is an introduction to my 4-part web series, How to Land Your Dream Job for Vets by Vets. I'm an Army engineer officer and veteran of Operation Enduring Freedom in 2014. Got about 8 years in, and now on the civilian side, I am an account executive with Orion Talent. As an account executive, I help my clients find top-tier military veterans to fill their ranks. I wanted to take a moment today to go over a few of the topics that are going to be covered over the next few weeks. My goal is to provide you with the knowledge, skill set, and pro tips necessary to navigate yourself through the hiring process. I have the series broken down into 4 short episodes. Episode 1 is about the ins and outs of building your resume. This is the first impression you make with your hiring managers, so you want to make sure that it's a good one. So I've decided to take an entire episode devoted specifically to this topic. Episode 2 is about the phone interview and the Skype interview and everything you need to know about this stage. Episode 3 is all about the Final Onsite interview. This is the most important and key step of the entire hiring process, so this is probably going to be the most in-depth and lengthy of all the topics. And finally, episode 4 is about the wrap-up and the close, and following up with the hiring managers after all of your interviews. Thanks everybody, and I'll see you next time.